Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important because my brother Pancakeswap is on the trending and 2.16% the price is increased. Absolutely everything is increased. Volume, my friend, everything, circulating supply, everything is increased now. So therefore, my friend, I just make this update video for all of you, my friends, to understand better to what's going on next and what we will need to get a profit. My friend, this time you can see here in the graph rank of Pancakeswap is 39, so that's a very good now. And the market cap you can see here 4 billion, and you can see 24-hour volume, so 1 million. My friend, you can see here, and this time circulating supply is 226 million. You can see, my friend, max supply. So absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time the price is 18.64 USD dollar. So in last 1 hour they were face down, otherwise in last 1 day, in last 7 days, the price will completely increase now. So that's clear, my friends. For this time Pancakeswap is completely on the trending and the price is hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second increasing. So I hope, my friend, in the upcoming days also the Pancakeswap price will be increasing. But if you are hot, expert says to upcoming time, my friends, we will predicate this coin. So that's clear to upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. But sometime, my friend, you can see here the price will fails down. So this does not mean to you will starting selling. Otherwise, if you starting selling, so definitely they cannot give you a profit and they will fails down more and more. So kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. Remember to, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, please hold now. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Pancakeswap holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel.